Alright, let's be honest for a second. Foldable phones look insanely futuristic. But actually living with one? That's been a very different story. Because no matter how cool they are, no matter how expensive they get, there's always been this one annoying compromise that just refuses to go away. Battery life. And now, it looks like Samsung might finally be ready to do something about it. So here's what's happening. A fresh leak is suggesting that the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 could come with the biggest battery we've ever seen in a Galaxy Fold. And if this turns out to be true, this could genuinely change how practical foldables feel day to day. Samsung is reportedly preparing not one, not two, but 3 foldable phones for mid-2026. We're talking about the Galaxy Z Flip 8, the regular Galaxy Z Fold 8, and then a completely new, wider version of the Fold that sounds pretty wild on paper. But right now, the spotlight is very clearly on the standard Fold. According to the latest report, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to pack a 5,000 mAh battery. And that might not sound dramatic at first, until you realize how conservative Samsung has been with Fold batteries so far. Compared to the previous generation, this is roughly a 13% jump in capacity. That's actually massive in a device where every millimeter of space is a battlefield between hinges, screens, cameras, and cooling. If this leak is accurate, the Fold 8 would officially become the biggest battery ever used in the Galaxy Z Fold lineup. Now, interestingly, it still wouldn't be Samsung's absolute largest foldable battery. And battery capacity is only half the story. Because let's talk about charging, or the lack of progress there. Samsung's foldables have basically been stuck at 25-watt charging for years. While the rest of the smartphone world has been sprinting ahead, Fold users have been politely waiting. But now there's a bit of hope. With Samsung already pushing much faster charging on some of its flagship slab phones, there's a real chance the Fold 8 could finally move up to 45 watts. Or maybe even 60 watts if Samsung decides to go all in. If that happens, we're not just talking about longer battery life. We're talking about a foldable that actually fits into a fast-paced daily routine without constant battery anxiety. And honestly, the rest of the rumored specs are looking pretty serious too. The device is expected to feature a larger 6.5-inch OLED cover display paired with a huge crease-reduced foldable screen inside that could stretch to around 8 inches. Performance-wise, it might run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, backed by 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage as a starting point. There's also talk that it could be among the first phones to launch with Android 17 and Samsung's next-gen One UI software on top. So when you stack everything together, a bigger battery, potentially faster charging, a more refined display experience, and flagship-level performance, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is starting to look less like a futuristic experiment and more like a genuinely practical, everyday phone. But of course, this is still leak territory. Things can change, specs can shift, expectations can get completely flipped. That's just how this game works. What I'm really curious about is you. If Samsung actually delivers on this, better battery life, faster charging, and a more usable Fold overall, would you finally consider switching to a foldable? Or are you still waiting for that one breakthrough moment? Let me know what you think. And if you enjoy staying ahead of the biggest smartphone leaks and upcoming tech drama, you already know what to do. Stick around because there's a lot more coming very soon.